Yo, look at the tortoises. Oh my god, they're duking it out right now. I've only seen this happen a couple times before, and I come here all the time. There's a ton of tortoises. I've never seen it like this though. Dang. They're about the same size too. Both of them. We're gonna go get closer. We're gonna try to see if we can get closer. But if I get closer, they usually will try and hide. And then they'll pause the fight for a moment. There they go again. Whoa! Dude, it's like they're trying to flip one of them over or something. Because if they get flipped, I feel like they're just kind of screwed at that point, which would be bad. I don't even know if they'd be able to get like unflipped by themselves. Never seen that happen. Wow. Oh, here they go again. They're really putting in a lot of like power into it too. Like, look at that. See the dirt's kicking up.